Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to continue with control structures. I hope you all watched my previous video. If not, I'll put the link in the description box. Please do watch my previous videos and come back to this video. And in today's Python lesson, I'm going to teach you about iterative control structure, and we are going to see some flowcharts and learn about some loops, and finally we are going to do some hands-on also. Now let's deep dive into our topic. In my previous video, I have talked about conditional control structure, and in this video, I'm going to teach you loop control structure. Before that, I'll give you a quick look of what conditional control structure is. Now, this is the basic flow chart for conditional control structure. There will be a condition, and if this condition evaluates to be true, it enters into the if block and the statements inside the if block are carried out. On the other hand, if this condition evaluates to be false, it enters into the else block and the statements inside the else block are carried out. And this is the basic overview of conditional control structure. Now let's move on to the iterational control structure. This is the basic flow chart for iterational control structure. Here there will be a condition. If this condition evaluates to be true, it enters into the block and the statements inside the blocks are carried out. This block of code runs continuously until the condition becomes false. Once this condition is evaluated to be false, it comes out of the block and finally our program is ended. There are different loops in iterational control structure. In programming languages like C, Java, there are three different types of loops. One is for, while and do while. But Python doesn't support do while loop. There are only just two loops in Python. One is for loop and the other one is while loop. Let's do some hands-on to understand these loops better. First, let's do while loop. Here, my aim is to print a sequence of numbers from 1 to 10. For that, I'm considering number as variable and I'm assigning 1 to it. I'm starting my while loop. Here, my condition is the number should be less than or equals to 10. If this condition is true, it enters into the block and I'm going to print the number. Then I need to increment the number plus equals to 1. Finally, at the end of the block, I'm just printing finished. Now let me run this code. Now I'm getting the result as expected. That is, I'm getting the sequence of numbers from 1 to 10 and the final print statement is also executed. Here, the while loop is similar to the if statement. The if statement runs once if the condition evaluates to be true. Similarly, the while loop enters into the block if the condition evaluates to be true. But the only difference is it runs more than once. If this condition fails, it moves to the next section of code and then the next section of code is executed. Now let's do for loop. Here also I'm going to do the same thing. That is, I'm going to display sequence of numbers from 1 to 10. Similarly, I'm using number as variable and initializing 1 to it. In for loop, for number in range of number, comma, 10. Here I'm introducing two new keywords to you. One is in and another one is range. This in keyword checks whether this variable falls in the specified range. And this range keyword takes two values. One is the starting value and another one is the ending value minus 1. If I give 10 here, I'll get the number from 1 to 9. So if I need to get the output from 1 to 10, I need to give 11 here so that it takes from 1 to 10. Next, I'm going to end it with colon. Inside the block, if this condition is true and it falls in the range, it enters into the block and I need to print the number. Finally, at the end of the block, I am printing finished. Now I'm going to run the code. See, I'm getting sequence of numbers from 1 to 10 and finally this print statement is also executed and this is the execution of for loop where the loop repeats same code with certain number of times. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you all understood Python control structures. If you have any queries, please write it in the comment section. If you like this video, please do hit the like and subscribe button and don't forget to share with your friends also. Also, follow my Instagram page for more interesting stuffs. See you in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.